everybody. This is the project that I've been telling Mr. Tom Fry about, and it's off of tomcircuits.blogspot.de. It's his simple cube, 4x4 cube, and this basically I'm implementing 4 cubes into this one design, but it's not going to be cubes. It's going to be something totally different. Alright, like I said, it's going to use about 64 LEDs in one cube times 4. That's 256 LEDs. There's going to be 4 ATmega8l, microcontroller chips, and 2 ULN2803. I think it's 2803. I have to, make sure driver chips. It's going to be 4 of those as well, and a whole bunch of wires. And I'm going to do some update pictures and videos as well as the process goes along. And long, I said, it's going to be a long little process. I'm going to take my time at it. But in the video and the pictures, you're going to see how long it takes. Alright, peace out. I'll come back with the updates. Have a good one. Okay, everybody, this is my little update to my little project that I've been doing. And as you see, that's a lot of wires to be doing, right? Okay, so let me start off by telling you, I'm building this around the simple cube that I had found on tomcircuits.blogspot.com. Again, tomcircuits.blogspot.com. I've been building these little 4x4x4 cubes for a couple months now, I believe, something like that. Been in contact with Tom. He's a pretty nice guy, and if you need help, he'll help you, or if he can. But if you go to his blog, his site, and check out his simple 4x4x4 LED cube, you will familiarize yourself with that. And that'll help you out to build this, what I'm building right now. That's what I'm building this around, is his cube. Okay, basically this is 2 cubes per perf board. I got 2 perf boards here, so that's 4 cubes. Okay, it's 128 LEDs per perf board. Okay, and I'm gonna lay these perf boards out just like this, so that it'd be the right distance between each other. I'm going to hot glue them together and be the right distance. But this board right here is done. This is the top of my board. And I flip it over and I go this way. I work from right to left. As you see my arrow, I start from here all the way down to finish. Okay, soldering all this stuff together. Okay, and I work this way when I put this magnet wire on. Okay, the magnet wire is to to make your column on the cube. Look at your cube on tomcircuits.blogspot.com. And like I said, familiarize yourself with that cube. And all you're doing is laying the planes down flat on this board. Okay, so this right here is my top plane, my second plane, third plane, fourth plane, which is the bottom. Okay, on the bottom, now you're connecting your cubes. Each side of your cube together. Okay, one to one side. These wires hook in here. Here, 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 and here. If you look on his website, familiarize yourself with that cube, you'll know what this is. You'll know what I'm talking about. Okay, these red wires, the magnet wire is hooking these pins together. First pin to the first pin to the first pin to the first pin. Second pin, second pin, second pin. Third pin, third pin, third pin, third pin. Fourth pin. Fourth pin, fourth pin, and fourth pin. Okay, all pins and their twins are hooked together. 1s, 2s, 3s, and 4s with every row. You got to do that all the way down with every row. You're hooking the columns up. That's all that's doing. I mean, I tell you, it's time and patience. Time and patience. Let me see if I can get up there close to see what I'm talking about. See that? That's all they're doing is jumping all those pins together. Alright, so when I come back, I'm going to have all the wires hooked up right here, hooked up here to show you what's going on. The ground wires and the hot wires. I'm going to call them ground and hot. Hooking the columns to the chips, hooking the grounds to the chips. And I'm going to have this one done as well, looking just like this one. Alright, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope this is going to help you or inspire you to build one of your own, what have you. This is big. I guarantee you this is something I'm not going to build again. I'm just doing it to see if it can be done, because in my mind I know it can be done. And taking videos and photos. I'm going to do I don't know if I'm going to do the blog or an Instructable on Instructables.com. I might do the Instructables.com thing. It's a little faster. And I got everything I'm typing down in my notes. And I'm going to just copy and paste. It's easy. Alright, so I'll be back. Show you what everything is going to be. What it looks like. What I'm doing. Peace out. Alright, YouTube. I'm just here to give you a little update on what I got. This is still just the first board. I have another one to go, and I'll be hooking up the ICs and power supply and all that stuff. As you see, I got my columns hooked up right here, and the green and the black, the green, the blue, and the brown are my ground wires for each layer. On both sides. You have to have it on both sides. Now, even though these are hooked together, all these layers are hooked together, they're only hooked together as far as the anodes. Okay, and that means columns. Okay, but the grounds still have to be hooked up for each layer. So that's what I've done here. Now I'm getting ready to hot glue these down so they don't move or anything else. Or tape them down. I don't know what I'm going to do yet. I'll probably just hot glue them. It'll be a lot better and they won't move around. But yeah, this is just a little update to show you what's been going on. And I'll be back with another update after I finish the other board. And I'll show you the hookup for the ICs and everything. So yeah, thanks for watching. Alright everybody, this is the finished product almost. I got to put the top part on and everything else. Don't worry about the duct tape. Is keeping the light in as much as possible. And I'll get ready to turn it on so you guys can see what it looks like. Here you go, Tom. It's running on 5.23 volts at 1 amp. There it is. I'm going to come back with another update when it's all put together. And then I got 6 LEDs out. I got to replace those. But it's not bad out of 256. Alright, peace out. This is a better video. This is of my little project that I made. It's inside of a computer screen, and I'll be putting the screen on it, which is right there. I just wanted you guys to see it out because the screen will kind of diffuse the light and kind of spread it out a little bit. This is a better view of it. So now you guys can see it just like that. There it is. Work well done. I wish I'd have put some pink in there, but I didn't. There you have it.